The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for western McClain County in central Oklahoma, central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Norman and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Any tornado would not be strong and would be intermittent. Straight line winds up to 80 miles an hour can't be expected. Locations impacted include Norman, Moore, Noble, Slaughterville, Goldsby, and Lake Thunderbird. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. The flash flood watch continues for portions of central Oklahoma.